Hello everyone, I am Ritika Tuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Artificial Intelligence, we started our Unit 2. So Unit 2 is based on problem solving technique, where we already discuss about the search strategies. Okay, and the second type or the second concept related to this unit is a beyond classical search. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the local search algorithm and the optimization problem also. Okay, so in this beyond classical search, the design to explore the search space systematically. Okay, why we use this beyond classical search and what are the concepts are used in this beyond classical search. So here we have to design to explore the search space systematically. That means keep one or more paths in memory, then record which have been explored and which have not explored till, and then a path to goal represent the solution. Okay, so if we are using this beyond classical search technique, so we have to remember these three things. Okay, so that you can easily explore search space systematically. So in this beyond classical search technique, there are different concepts like local search algorithm and optimization problem, then local search in continuous space, searching with non-deterministic action, and the searching with the partial observations also, then online search agent and the unknown environments. Okay, so these are all the points we discuss one by one, but in this video we are going to discuss about only the first point related to this beyond classical search, that is the local search algorithm and the optimization problem also. And first we have to discuss what is meant by local search optimization problem also, and then we will discuss the algorithms related to this local search and the optimization problem. Okay, so in that the first thing is the local search algorithm and the optimization problems. So here So the search algorithms that we have seen so far are designed to explore search space systematically. So this systematically is achieved by keeping the one or more paths in memory, and by recording which alternatives have been explored at each point along with the path. When a goal is found, the path to that goal also constitute a solution to the problem. So in many problems, the path of the goal is irrelevant. For example, if you are talking about the 8 queen problem, so here in the 8 queen problem, what matter is the final configuration. Okay, if we are having this initial state in the 8 queen problem and we have a goal state, so we have to solve this initial state diagram, this diagram to the where we get the goal state, goal 8 queen example. Okay, सो इन द 8 क्वीन प्रॉब्लम व्हाट मैटर इज़ दैट फाइनल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. क्या आपका फाइनल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा, फाइनल गोल होगा, वो आपको क्या करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ अ क्वीन्स हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो नॉट द ऑर्डर इन विच दे आर एडेड. ओके, कौन सी ही ऑर्डर से हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो वो नेसेसरी नहीं है. हमें क्या चाहिए, अगर कोई भी इनिशियल स्टेट है हमें उसको इस वे से सॉल्व करना है सो दैट वी गेट द गोल स्टेट. So these general properties holds for many important applications such as integrated circuit design, factory floor layout, job shop scheduling, automatic programming, telecommunication network optimization, vehicle routing also, and the portfolio management also. Okay, so here first we discuss about what is meant by local search. So if the path to the goal does not matter, we might consider the different classes of different class of algorithm, the ones that do not worry about the paths at all. So local search algorithms operate using the single current node rather than the multiple paths, and generally move only to the neighbors of that node. So typically the paths followed by the search are not retained. So the local search algorithms are not systematic. They have two key advantages. The first advantage is They use very little memory, usually a constant amount, and the second thing is they can often find the reasonable solutions in large or infinite, that means continuous state space, for which the systematic algorithms are unsuitable. So what is meant by optimization problem? So in addition to finding the goals, the local search algorithms are useful for solving the pure optimization problems, in which the aim is to find the best state according to an objective function. So many optimization problems do not fit the standard search model introduced in optimization techniques or in the local search also. So to understand local search, we find it useful to consider the state space landscape. So here the landscape has both location and elevations. Location means defined by the state, and the elevation means defined by the value of the heuristic cost function or the objective function. So in previous videos we already discussed about the heuristic function, heuristic cost function, objective function. Okay, so location is what? The location is defined by the state, and the elevation is defined by the value of heuristic cost function or the objective function. So this is called as the elevation. So if the elevation correspond to the cost, then the aim is to find the lowest value, that is the global minimum, and if the elevation correspond to an objective function, then the aim is to find the highest peak, a global maxima. Okay, if the elevation cost is the low, that means we have a global minimum. If the elevation cost is at the objective function, objective function क्या होता है, जिसके objective function value maximum है, which that means the global maxima. Okay, so if the elevation corresponds to an objective function, then the aim is to find the highest peak value, that is called as a global maxima. So the local search algorithm explores this landscape. Local search algorithm explore this landscape. So the complete local search algorithm always find the goal. If one exists, an optimal algorithm always find a global minima or a global maxima. Okay, so see here, so this is a one-dimensional state space landscape in which the elevation corresponds to an objective function. Okay, so the aim is to find out the global maximum, and where we are using the hill climbing modifies. Where we are using the hill climbing search modifies the current state is to try to improve it. Okay, so see here, so this is our current state. So there are various topographical features are defined in this particular diagram. So this type of local search space we can solve by using the hill climbing search technique. Okay, so this is a part of a hill climbing search technique. So there are different local search algorithms and there are different optimization type problems. So here we are going to discuss about the local search algorithms and the optimization problems also. So where we have the hill climbing, then simulated annealing, then the local beam search and the genetic algorithm. So here the hill climbing, simulated annealing, local beam search, these are the local search algorithm, and the genetic algorithm is the optimization algorithm, optimization problem. Okay, so first type of local search algorithm is the hill climbing. So the hill climbing search algorithm is called as the steepened ascent algorithm or the steepened ascent version. So it is the simplest ascent. It means the simply a loop that continuously moves in the direction of increasing value, that is a uphill, and it terminates when it reaches to the peak where the no neighbor has a higher value. So this algorithm does not maintain a search tree, so that the data structure for the current node need only record the state and the value of the objective function also. So hill climbing does not look ahead beyond the immediate neighbor of the current state. Okay, so here So to easily describe the function of hill climbing, first we have to consider one example. Okay, so to illustrate the hill climbing, we will use the 8-queen problems. Okay, so where each state has a 8 queens. If you are considering the 8-queen problem, each state, so there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 state, and each state have a 8 queens on the board, one per column. So the successor of a states are state are all the possible states generated by moving a single queen to the another square in the same column. Okay, same column means 1 2 3, so these are the columns. So same columns में हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, मूव कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से आगे आगे उसको मूव कर सकते हैं. So successor of a state are all the possible states generated by moving a single queen to the another square in the same column only. Okay, so that means each state has a 8 into 7. Okay, each state has a 8 into 7, that means 56 successors. Okay, कितने successors generate होंगे उसके लिए, 56 successors generate होंगे. Okay, so here the heuristic cost function is h is the heuristic cost function, is the number of pairs of queens that are acting each other either directly or the indirectly. So the global minimum of this function is 0. Okay, minimum value क्या होगी इसकी, global minimum value 0 होगी. So which occurs only the perfect solution. If I am considering this diagram where the state with h is equal to 17. Okay, h is equal to number of pair of queens that are attacking each other either directly or the indirectly, and h is equal to 17 is the state for the above state. So see here, so this first diagram shows the state with h is equal to 17. So this diagram shows the values of each successor. Okay, values of each successor. So there are different, in this diagram there are different state with having the value h is equal to 17, and it shows the value of its successor with the best successor having h is equal to 12. Okay, बेस्ट सक्सेसर वैल्यूज क्या होगी, h इज इक्वल टू 12 क्या होगी इसकी बेस्ट सक्सेसर वैल्यू होगी. ओके, सो अगर मैं ये वाला अगर कंसिडर करती हूँ तो इसको मैं मूव नहीं कर सकती. इसको अगर कंसिडर करती हूँ तो इसके सक्सेसर नोड्स क्या है 12 एंड 12, इसको मैं मूव नहीं कर सकती. इसके सक्सेसर नोड इसको मूव नहीं कर सकती, इसको मैं मूव कर सकती हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पे 12 है, इसको भी मूव कर सकती हूँ, ये वाले को भी मूव कर सकती हूँ, इसको मूव नहीं कर सकती. ओके, so this is a part of the 8 queen problem. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन, एंड उससे हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे क्वींस को फर्दर स्टेट के अंदर मूव करेंगे. So this first diagram shows the 8 queen state with the heuristic cost estimation is what, h is equal to 70, and showing the value of h for each possible successor obtained by moving a queen within its column only, and the best moves are marked. जो भी बेस्ट मूव्स होंगी इसको हमने क्या किया है, मार्क किया है. सो बेस्ट मूव्स के होंगे 12 ये क्या सारे बेस्ट मूव्स है. इसी ये वाले क्वीन जो है उनको हम मूव कर सकते हैं ये वाले स्टेट के अंदर. एंड इन द सेकेंड डायग्राम, so the local minimum in the 8 queen state space, the state has h equal to h equal to 1 for the local minimum, but every successor has the highest cost. Okay, every successor has the highest cost. So हमने क्या किया है, ये वाला जो स्टेट है इसको लोकल मिनिमा मीन्स ये वाले मिनिमम पोजीशन के ऊपर उसको प्लेस किया. सेकेंड वाले को क्या किया हमने, उसको आगे की तरफ शिफ्ट किया है, क्योंकि इसका जो सक्सेसर है मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू द possible successor obtained by moving a queen with its column. So this is the best moves for this second queen. थर्ड क्वीन की अगर बात करते हैं तो उसको हमने मूव ही नहीं किया है। इसकी अगर बात करते हैं इसको भी हमने मूव नहीं किया है। अगर ये वाले क्वीन की अगर बात करते हैं इसको हमने क्या किया है, मूव किया है यहाँ पे। अगर ये वाले क्वीन की बात करते हैं तो इसको भी हमने मूव नहीं किया है। देन ये वाले क्वीन को हमने मूव किया है यहाँ पे, और ये वाले क्वीन को हमने एज इट इज रखा है। ओके, सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल फॉर 8 क्वीन प्रॉब्लम। So in the hill climbing algorithm, we have a function hill climbing problem. It will return some local maximum value, and currently a node is pointing to the current value. Then use the loop here and find out the current neighbor values or the successor values of the current. So this is called as a neighbors, and हर एक neighbors के लिए हम फिर से क्या करेंगे, कंटिन्यूसली चेक करेंगे उस नेबर को फिर से करंट असाइन करेंगे। जो भी हमने नेबर को करंट असाइन किए उसके सक्सेसर नोड्स को हम चेक करेंगे। ओके, सो दिस इज अ सिंपल एल्गोरिथम फॉर हिल क्लाइंबिंग। सो हियर द हिल क्लाइंबिंग एल्गोरिथम, सर्च एल्गोरिथम, विच इज द most basic local search technique. At each step in the current node is replaced by the base neighbor in this version. That means the neighbor with the highest value, but if a heuristic cost estimate h is used, so we would find the neighbors with the lowest h value. Okay, so this is a simple algorithm for the hill climbing. So sometimes hill climbing is also called as a greedy search algorithm or a greedy local search, because it grabs a good neighbor's state without thinking ahead about where to go next. So this greedy is considered one of the 7 deadly sins. It turns out that the greedy algorithms often perform quite well. So hill climbing often makes the rapid progress towards a solution because it is usually quite easy to improve the bad state. So if I am considering, for example, in this diagram, in the first diagram, it takes just 5 steps to reach state into this second diagram. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें कितने मूव्स करने पड़े? ओके, सो यहाँ पे देखो फर्स्ट मूव्स, यहाँ पे सेकंड मूव्स, इसको हमने मूव नहीं किया है, इसको भी मूव नहीं किया है, थर्ड मूव्स, फोर्थ मूव्स एंड 5 मूव्स। सो ओनली हमने 5 मूव्स के अंदर हमें क्या मिला है, गोल स्टेट मिला है, कुछ इस तरह से। ओके, so it takes just 5 steps to reach to this goal state, which has a h is equal to 1. so यहाँ पे हमने h की वैल्यू, लोकल मिनिमम वैल्यू 1 रखी है। so 1 2 3 4 5 हमें 5 पॉसिबिलिटीज मिले हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज अ लोकल मिनिमम। ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द हिल क्लाइंबिंग एल्गोरिथम।